Hello everyone, my name is Asta. I'm going to present presentation on the topic networking. Introduction. Introductory slide states the purpose of making the presentation, introducing the aspects covered. The, the, the presentation is prepared on networking, types of networking, its application. The presentation also covers different networking platforms by the students to advancing in their career is one of the other themes of the presentation. The presentation also sheds lights on how social media could hurt a person's chance of giving in career. The presentation also identifies a person or a company from the other field of networking, reflects on the benefits and drawbacks of networking. The presentation sets light on the personal experience of using networking for advancing in career. Types of networking. There are different types of networking. There are personal area network, local area network, wireless local area network, campus area network, metropolitan area network, wide area network, storage area network, system area network. Application of networking. This slide talks about the different application of networking, which are marketing and sales. This networking in marketing and sales implies social networking channels through which customers, that is, the student, could be reached. Finance. This networking indicates the sharing of data, profit margin, cash flow, balance statement, cash flow statement with the clients and customers. Manufacturing. This networking indicates digitalization of supply chain process like smart logistics in warehouse. Electronic messaging. Networking reflects the use of emails for communication regarding the services. Directory services and information services implements networking in the form of providing insights into the contact details and website of the services. Electronic data interchange. Networking in this case implies interchange of information through electronic means, which leads to a large number of customer base. Networking platforms. There are different types of networking platforms. There are Facebook, Twitter, Meetup, Quora, Stock, uh, the slide projects different networking platform which provides to the users to fulfill their needs. These platforms are Facebook, Twitter, Meetup, Quora, Slack, Visita. Through these platforms, the user could connect with a large customer base, expanding their scope and arena of skill, knowledge, and expertise. In Meetup, the users can involve in meetings with the clients and officials. Quora consists of questions and answers on different subjects through which the student could enhance their pre-convinced skills, abilities, and competences. Slack is the messenger-based mobile app which allows the users to connect with partners. Visita enables the educational institution to connect with the business partners, establishing effective communications. Uh, how college students can use social media or networking for advancing in their fields. This slide says slides on how the college student can use social media or networking for advancing in their fields, using social networking for increasing connectivity among study groups, friend circles, getting guidance on career is also one of the other use of networking among the students. Getting guidance on advancing with professional career, preparing resume, and developing the online presence diversifies the use of social networking channels among the college students. Along with this, the student can also use networking channels for online contacting the professor and getting consolations regarding the career choices which they could avail for achieving career establishment. How social media could hurt a person's chance of advancing in career. The theme of this slide is how social media could hurt a person's chance of advancing in career. The reasons are fake news, slow connectivity, disruptive internet connection, and capacity concerns. Fake news hurts the individual's sentiments of the students as they experience heartbreaks or not getting the real news. In case of career connection, this kind of fake news is really matter of serious concern as it compels the student to miss prestigious offer which could provide them with a career leap. Slow connectivity compels the complexity of the students as they cannot get the required information with the required time. This is due to the disruptive internet connection where it is the access issues affecting the knowledge operation of the students. Capacity concerns also matters as it provides insight into the files and its storage capacity which the students are to remember while networking. These slides say slides on Amazon could CloudFront, which is a field of interest for the students as it involves security in data delivery, videos applications, contact delivery networks which are operated through low latency with high transfer speeds. The mechanism of the operations aims at develop as it involves security in data delivery, videos applications, contact delivery networks which are operated through low latency with the high transfer speeds. The mechanism of the operations at, aim at the development of the development friendly environment or user friendly environment. Here one of the essential aspects is AWS or Amazon as a web service which includes multiple functions and their effective storage which secures the customer's relationship management. Reflection on learning about benefits and drawbacks of social media for career advancement. In these slides, I have reflected in the learning about benefits and drawbacks of social media in terms of career advancement. I have given insights on social media is beneficial for increasing connectivity, expanding the sources from where the students could collect necessary data and information. I have also learned that social media beneficial for getting career guidance. On the contrary, I have also found that the social media could be harmful for spreading fake news. Apart from this, I have also found that social media could be harmful as it could be slow internet connection disruptions and security issues, adding to the complexity for the students in gaining right information. This slides identified one of the articles on the networking, which reflects the struggle of students' psychology upon using networking. The articles revolves around the psychology of first-year college students, which become stressed and full of anxiety when they do not get the required help using networking for fulfilling the demands and requirements. Uh, and to conclude, this slide states that social networking is beneficial for students as well as companies like Amazon to expand the social presence. Social networking could enhance design thinking skills of the students as they get access to different types of forms and application in different fields. It also has been inferred that social networking could be harmful if proper application is not made. Reflection of learning has resulted in the discovery that social networking could be beneficial if proper application is made in terms of adhering to the security issues while accessing the sites for the collecting the required data. Thank you. Thank you for hearing me.